Hello friends, today I am going to continue exercise 2.3. So let us start with question number 4, which is greater. So here it is given 2 upon 7 of 3 by 4. Everybody knows what is the meaning of 2 by 4? Sorry, meaning of it means multiplication. Next step we will just convert this of into multiplication. Okay, so now this is your multiplication of fractions. What we do in multiplication of fractions? We cut the number, one from numerator, one from denominator. So here this 2 and 4 we can cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. Come to the another part. Here again multiplication of fractions. So we will cut the number, one from numerator, one from denominator. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now we have this 2. Which fraction is greater? Two methods are there. You can convert into like fractions and then compare the numerators, or another method you can do cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication you can write 3 into 8, that is 24. Which two numbers are left? 14 into 3, that is 42. So which one is greater? 42 is greater. Therefore 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater. If the question is which one is smaller, we will write answer according to that. Now the next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is a word problem. So a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. What is given? 16 km in 1 liter. This is already given in the question. How much distance it will cover using 2:3 by 4 liter of petrol? How much distance? So we will start our statement with distance covered in 1 liter petrol is equal to how much it is given in the question? 16 km. Therefore, we need to find out, therefore, distance covered in 2:3 by 4 liter petrol. So whenever we need to find for more than one, always we do multiplication. So therefore 16 is to 2 is to 3 upon 4. Whenever mixed fraction is there, we convert into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Again, this is your multiplication of fraction. So we need to cut one from numerator, one from denominator. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now multiply numerator with numerator. So 44 km. So how much distance will be covered in 2:3 upon 4 liter of petrol? We can cover 44 km. So I think this is the last question of exercise 2.3, and now we will go for exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Just give me a minute to turn over the pages. Yeah, exercise 2.4. So question number 1 is find. I'm going to start with the second sum. 14 divided by 5 by 6. Now this is division of fractions. I told you we have 2 points in division of fractions. We convert this division sign into multiplication, and the second thing, we take reciprocal of the number which is just after division sign. So every time I am making a circle, so that this circle will remind you have to take reciprocal of 5 by 6. Okay, so let us start. 14 is in the same place. Division sign we will convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of 5 by 6 will be 6 upon 5. Now we have converted the question into multiplication of fraction. So now we need to cut one number from numerator, one from denominator if possible. If not, then we multiply numerator with numerator. 14 6 are 84 upon 5. Now since numerator is greater, we will convert into mixed fraction. So 16 is to 4 by 5. I have already explained you how to convert into mixed fraction. Let us go for the fourth sum. Now the fourth sum is 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So after division sign, whatever number is there, we take reciprocal of that number. Okay, so let us start. Division we will convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of 8 upon 3 will be 3 upon 8. So now here we can cut the number. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the number is 3 upon 2. Since numerator is greater, we will convert into mixed fraction. This is the answer. This is the way you are supposed to say continuously in your mind when you are solving sum. When you are talking with yourself, you will not do any mistake. Sorry, this is 6 number sum. Okay. So 5 divided by 3 is to 4 by 7. Whenever mixed fraction is there, first work convert into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 upon 7. Now make circle. This circle will remind you need to take reciprocal of that number, that will be 7 upon 25. Now you need to cut the number. So this is 7 upon 5, and since numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. Say, can you observe that I am saying, and with whatever I am saying in my mind, I am writing on the board. You need to say in your mind and write down in your notebook. Okay. So next question is now 8-1. Not 8. I think question number 2 now. What is question number 2? Find the reciprocal. Find reciprocal. To save the time, I am making here some column. So first one will be the fraction, whatever fraction is given in the question, and then we will do reciprocal of that question, and at the same time you are supposed to write down the type of the fraction. Okay, so the first one is 3 upon 7. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? 7 upon 3. Now what is 7 upon 3? 7 upon 3 is an improper fraction. Take another example. 9 upon 7. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 will be 7 upon 9. So now which type of fraction it is? It is proper fraction. 7 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Let us take one more question. 1 upon 8. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 8? 8 upon 1. What is the meaning of 8 upon 1? Only 8. And what about this? This is a whole number. Okay. So this is the way we have completed question number 2. And now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is again find. So the fourth one is 4 is to 1 by 3 divided by 3. Again, whenever division is there, after division, whatever number is there, make circle over there. Many times students, they take reciprocal of the number which is just before division sign. So to avoid that mistake, always make a circle. Now mixed fraction is there, so we will convert into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3 divided by 3. No number is there in denominator, it means 1. Again make circle because we have not taken reciprocal. So convert into division sign, and reciprocal of 3 upon 1 will be 1 by 3. Now cut the number, 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator. If it's not possible, then we can convert, we can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3, 4 is left, 1 is to 4 upon 9. Now let me solve fifth sum. Fifth sum is 3 is to 1 by 2 divided by 4. So again we need to take reciprocal of this 4. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 4 upon 1. Still we need to take reciprocal of that number. So what is the reciprocal of that number? 1 by 4. Now we cannot cut any number, one from numerator, one from denominator. So multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is smaller, this is the answer. And solve one more sum for question number 3. That is sixth number sum. And your sixth number sum is 4 is to 3 upon 7 divided by 7. We need to take reciprocal of this 7. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31 upon 7 divided by 7 upon 1. Now again we will take reciprocal, that is 1 by 7. Now again you cannot cut one from numerator, one from denominator. So we will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is smaller, we cannot convert into mixed fraction, and this is your answer. Now the last question is again find. That is question number 4. Find. Okay. So let us start with fifth sum. 3 is to 1 by 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So again we will take reciprocal of 8 upon 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now directly I am just converting this division into multiplication, and reciprocal of 8 upon 3 will be 3 upon 8. Again we cannot cut a number from numerator and denominator. So just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is greater, we will convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Go for the next sum, that is sixth one. 2 upon 5 divided by 1 is to 1 by 2. So we will take reciprocal of that number. But since mixed fraction is there, so first step we will convert into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. Still we need to take reciprocal of that number. So now 2 upon 3. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2 will be 2 upon 3. Again you cannot cut one number from numerator, one from denominator. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Since numerator is smaller, this is the answer. Now the next question is seventh sum. So 3 is to 1 by 5 divided by 1 is to 2 by 3. We need to take reciprocal of that number. So first we will convert into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. This side also 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3. Now we need to take reciprocal of that number. So this will become 3 upon 5. So again we cannot cut number from numerator and denominator. So multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is greater, we will convert into mixed fraction, and your answer is 1 is to 23 upon 25. Let me solve one more sum. Eighth number sum, that is 2 is to 1 by 5 divided by 1 is to 1 by 5. So we need to take reciprocal of that number. First thing we will convert into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. And this side this will be 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5. Still we need to take reciprocal of this number. So that number will be 5 upon 6. And at the same time we will convert this division sign into multiplication. So now here this 5 you can cut. So this is 11 by 6. And since numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. 1 is to 5 by 6. So we have completed all the exercise related with the fraction. Thank you very much for watching today's video.